In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a video from Capcut to YouTube. Whether you're sharing a stunning vacation montage, a creative project, or just a fun moment with friends, uploading to YouTube is a wonderful way to showcase your work to a global audience. Let's dive right in and explore the steps to make this process seamless. First, ensure that you have finished editing your video in Capcut. This might sound obvious, but making sure everything is polished and edited just the way you want is crucial. Take a moment to review your video, check for any inconsistencies, ensure the transitions are smooth, and adjust the audio levels if necessary. Remember, first impressions matter, and you want your viewers to be captivated right from the start. Next up, you'll need to export your video. Locate the export button, usually found at the top right corner of the application. Clicking this button will begin the process of rendering your video into a format that's ready for sharing. Depending on the length and quality of your video, this might take a little while, so be patient. Once the export process is complete, it's time to move on to the sharing step. Capcut provides a handy feature that, if available, allows you to share the video directly to YouTube. Simply tap the Share to YouTube option. If you don't see this option, don't worry, you can still share your video by manually opening the YouTube app on your device. Whichever method you choose, the goal is to get your finished video ready for uploading on YouTube. Now, when you're in the YouTube environment, tap Next. This step takes you to a page where you'll be prompted to add details about your video. Pay close attention here, these details are what will help your audience find and connect with your content. As you proceed, you'll need to add a title and a description. Make your title catchy and relevant to the content of your video, and ensure that your description provides a clear summary of what viewers can expect. Think about relevant keywords that might make it easier for people searching for similar content to find your video. Another crucial step is to set your video's visibility. You'll have options such as public, private, or unlisted. Choosing public will make your video accessible to everyone on YouTube, while private will keep it visible only to you or anyone you add specifically. Unlisted means it's not searchable, but anyone with the link can view it. Once everything is set up to your satisfaction, go ahead and tap the upload button. Your video will begin posting to YouTube. Depending on your internet speed and the size of the video, this process can take a few minutes. With these steps, your content is now live on YouTube, ready to be watched, liked, and shared by viewers worldwide. Enjoy your moment of sharing creativity and connecting with people around the globe.